If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if the servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the timeout. Step 3. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Step 4. Adjust network settings. If you're using a firewall or VPN, it may be blocking your connection to the game servers. Temporarily disable these services and see if the issue persists. Additionally, you can try port forwarding for Elden Ring to improve connectivity. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout issue. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the server timeout issue in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.